The industry that we're going to be talking about in this video, I believe, is the future. And these three companies that we're about to talk about are at the forefront of this technology. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. In this video, we're going to take a peek at three augmented reality stocks that I think are an absolute buy for the future, and for many different reasons. The top three that we're going to talk about are on this list. The first company we're going to talk about is Vuzix Corporation, ticker symbol VUZI. This is a leader in the area of wearable display technology. Vuzix has several models of AR-capable display glasses on the market optimized for work or gaming applications. Vuzix holds 210 patents in wearable display technology. Revenues have just begun to show massive gains, and the technology is improving. In 2019, the company saw $6.67 million in total revenues. In 2020, that number increased by 73% to $11.58 million. So this company is absolutely growing. Management described 2020 as a transformational year and noted that demand in the form of customer orders and reorders was up strongly. If we take a peek at Vuzix Corporation, ticker symbol VUZI, they come with a moderate buy based on three analyst ratings with an average upside, take a peek at that, of over 100% for VUZI. So big potential upside there. The second company we're going to take a peek at is Unity Software. So not on the display side, but on the software side, Unity makes the platforms developers need to create the applications, from games to enterprise solutions. Unity's platforms are leaders for content creators in the real-time 3D space. The range of applications is wide, encompassing architects and auto designers to game and filmmakers. Unity gives its customers comprehensive software tools to create, run, and monetize their content on PCs, tablets, smartphones, gaming consoles, and AR devices. They are one of the tech world's unicorns, a billion-dollar company that made a splash with its IPO. The offering held last September saw the company put 25 million shares on the market, with initial pricing at $52, well above the expected $44 to $48 range. The stock closed on this first day of trading at more than $68 per share, and the offering raised $1.3 billion for Unity. Since then, despite pulling back during 2021, Unity shares are up 59%, and the company boasts a $30 billion market cap, so there are a lot of people betting on this company and its future. Ticker symbol U, Unity Software, was actually up today in trading. They're trading at $110 per share right now, coming in with a strong buy based on 5 analyst ratings with an average upside of 13%. The last company we're going to talk about, hopefully you guys are all familiar with this company. We'll wrap it up with Facebook. The social media giant is also an innovator in augmented reality and was an early adopter among tech companies when it acquired Oculus VR in 2014. That transaction cost Facebook $2 billion and first showed results in 2016 when the company launched a VR headset for the consumer PC market. Since then, Facebook has worked on expanding and improving its VR, AR headsets and applications, noting that existing systems required high-end PCs or smartphones, which effectively put a limit on the customer base. Facebook has been working on standalone headsets in 2017. The company introduced Oculus Go in 2019, Oculus Quest in 2020, the Quest 2. In the fourth quarter of 2020, Facebook sold 1.1 million Quest 2 headsets, giving it a commanding lead in the market share. Its closest competitor in the field, Sony, shipped out only 125,000 equivalent headsets. So this is a growing business for Facebook. Facebook is off to a running start in the AR headset market. One thing to note here, okay, a big deal. The company is not just sitting back and enjoying proceeds. Facebook has an active development program and is teaming up with companies like Ray-Ban to create AR smart glasses. The project is built by Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg as part of a metaverse that will combine both AR and VR experiences in shareable social media. So there's a chance that we will have AR glasses relatively soon that don't look terrible like Google Glass. Please don't hate me, Google. Let's check out how Facebook is doing right now. Coming up with a strong buy based on 26 analyst ratings with an average upside of 17.45%. Guys, let me know which one of these augmented reality stocks is your favorite on this list. I would absolutely love to hear from you. I wouldn't be surprised if it was VUZI because of that 100% upside, and there's a good chance that that will happen for Vuzix Corporation. Again, they are the leader in display technology. They hold over 200 patents in display technology. They have government contracts. This is a big company. I've reported on them before, and probably my favorite on the list besides Facebook, because I think Facebook will be around for a very long time, and that's a safe bet as well. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.